5 Best Bourbon Extracts. You can't go wrong with a drink of choice. There are a ton of bourbon extracts out there, but which one is your favorite? Bourbon is one of people's favorite drinks to have for cocktails or just straight up for funsies. But if we're honest here, there are a lot of bad-tasting brands out there. So today, we're going to share with you some really good ones that will make your taste buds dance. Top picks for best bourbon extracts. 1. Thousand Oaks Barrel Bourbon Extract. The best bourbon extract is made of Swiss barrel essences specifically formulated to taste like the liquor's regular mash bill. The flavor has hints of corn, winter wheat, rye, and other grains used in pot-based whiskey production during the 1800s era when it was still small-scale craft distilling for personal use rather than large commercial enterprises. 2. Lorann Bourbon Extract. Oaky flavor without the alcohol. That sounds amazing. The Lorann Best Bourbon Extract has a whole lot of natural flavor, and you could even use it in your cooking. It's best to have today because they only have super strength features, which means just a few drops are needed to get that rich oak smell going on for any dish or drink preference. 3. Trader Joe's Pure Vanilla Bourbon Extract. The Trader Joe's Best Bourbon Extract comes in a 4 fluid-ounce bottle made of pure vanilla and 35% alcohol content. While it is larger than other extracts, you will only need to use a few drops for any food flavor, so this product lasts long. 4. Homebrew Ohio Tennessee Bourbon Extract. The Homebrew Ohio Best Bourbon Extract is made with a high alcohol base to enhance your dishes or baked goodies flavor instantly. The brand uses 100% natural extracts and essential oils, which gives it the smooth taste of real Tennessee whiskey, but without any pesky booze. 5. Olivenation Bourbon Extract. The Olivenation Best Bourbon Extract is made of pure Kentucky straight whiskey, sugar, and glycerin. It comes in an 8-ounce bottle for large batches of cooking or baking involved. This stuff will add more depth to your recipes. Use it on anything from savory dishes up to sweet treats depending on what kind you're looking for. But no matter which side you turn towards with these flavors, they are sure not going unnoticed. Best Bourbon Extract Buying Guide. There are many factors that you need to consider when selecting the best bourbon extract. Here's what they are. Taste. The debate of whether or not to include sugar in your essence is one thing, but what about flavorings? Well, there's no need for worry because every brand will offer you multiple options depending on how strong they want their product. If it simply needs some extra kick, like 100% bourbon, it goes with an extract that does not contain any other sweeteners. But if balance and complexity are more important than power liquor flavors, select a mix containing vanilla instead. Size or capacity. Extracts or essences are usually bottled in small sizes ranging from 0.65 fluid ounce to 1 fluid ounce. Still, there are also bourbon extracts available with large capacities that can be suitable for home cooks who like making batches of food and baking at a time. Perfect. Bourbon extract frequently asked questions. 1. What is bourbon extract? If you're looking for a delicious but alcohol-free alternative to spirits, then bourbon extract is just what your taste buds need. It's made with 100% non-alcoholic whiskey. To make them even better than before, there are other types available, including vanillin releasate or real vanilla beans. 2. Is there alcohol in bourbon vanilla extract? Does your favorite bourbon recipe call for extract or vanilla? The presence of alcohol in these ingredients varies depending on the brand. Some do not contain any liquor, while others use it as an ingredient. 3. How to make homemade bourbon extract. If you want to make your own bourbon extract, this is an easy recipe. Simply mix some alcohol and spices in a jar until they form an extraction liquid. Then add flavorings of choice for even more delicious taste options that are right at home on game day or any night of the week. Bourbon extract is an optional ingredient to add to your dishes. However, using one will level up your baked goodies or savory meals. Have you tried using bourbon extract as an ingredient? How did it improve your dish's taste and aroma? We would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Advanced Mixology and hit the notification bell button to stay updated on our latest videos.